I'm going to let the oil out of the engine because I want to open that cover there, and in behind there is what's known as a strainer, and that feeds oil up to the oil pump. So I'll be able to get my hand in there and have a good feel around and see, make sure there's no bits of metal around. There shouldn't be, but I should be able to get in and clean a bit of there'll be a bit of gunk in there. If it's very, very bad, I will drop the sump. So none of these, either the studs that were left or the studs that came out, had spring washers. So I picked out 6 Ferguson spring washers. So this is the oil strainer coming out. I'm going to give that a wash with the gun. I'm going to put a bit of petrol and kerosene in there and give that a good wash out. And that should line up with a pipe, goes in there, and it just helps to filter the oil. So it actually doesn't look bad at all, but still I'm going to give it a clean out. So the oil strainers are getting a good wash out with the petrol gun. I have my Indian head on the gasket surface, and I have my studs and nuts and spring washers ready to go. So I'm going to get this fitted. It's important obviously that it lines up with the oil pickup pipe, so this is usually fitted this way with this down. Yep, that feels like it's after picking up the pipe. So I'm going to tighten them home, and that should be that job done. There's nothing in there that scared me. I used half of my box of degreaser wipes. Sure, that's what they're for, I suppose. And I didn't feel any metal bits around, just chunks of paint. And I also, when I had the gun out there, I turned it down low pressure and I just washed in behind the chain and all to get out any extra small bits of dirt that I wouldn't be able to clean.